Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time it is for the printer and accessories industry, wherein we were competing with the big brands such as the Amazon and then the eBay, and also there are some other competitors within the same space. So please stay with us in this video and we will let you know how we have increased the ROAS from 2 to 24, and then in this video we will let you know how we can help your business to take it to the next level. Introduction to this niche. The printers and accessories niche encompasses a range of products including printers, ink cartridges, paper and other accessories. Our client, a leader in retailer in this industry, aimed to increase their market share and direct revenue growth through targeted advertising campaigns on Google Ads. Next thing is the campaign strategy. The first thing that we have done was to target the keyword selection. We conducted comprehensive research to identify high converting keywords specific to the printer and accessories niche. By focusing on relevant keywords with high search volume and buyer intent, we aimed to increase ad visibility and increase qualified traffic. The next thing is the ad copy optimization. We crafted compelling and persuasive ad copies that highlighted the unique selling points of the client's products by emphasizing factors such as affordability, durability and compatibility. We aimed to capture the attention of potential customers and entice them to click on the ads. The next thing is the ad extensions. We leveraged various ad extensions such as site links, callouts and structured snippets to provide additional information and increase the overall visibility of the ads. These extensions helped potential customers make informed decisions and improved the CTR of the campaigns. Next thing is the continuous performance monitoring. We closely monitored the campaign's performance by analyzing key metrics such as CTR, conversion rate, cost per conversion and the ROAS. By regularly optimizing the campaign based on these insights, we aimed to improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the advertising effort. After doing the optimizations of the campaigns using the best PPC practices, we have been able to generate the revenue of almost $126,000 with the ROAS of almost 24.